And thirdly, he says the water that we wash an impurity with, does it become impure itself or not? This is an area that shaitan penetrates our minds easily with. The hadith of the nomad who came and urinated in the masjid. The Prophet ﷺ told them after he was over to throw a bucket of water on it, and that's it. No drying, no wiping, nothing. The scholar said because the water overwhelmed the impurity, it mixed with it and it diluted it. So when you wash yourself from najasa and you use water, the amount of water you're using to wash this najasa, whether on your body or on a carpet or whatever, overwhelms the najasa. So if there's a spot on the carpet that a child urinated in, and I can see it, I pour on it water to overwhelm it, then I can dry it, I can suck it with a special hoover that is for liquids or whatever, and that does the job. But to wipe it and then dry and wipe and dry without putting water on it does not do the job, and Allah knows best.